Today is a very important day in our lives as Sahajogis. This is the day when Sahasrara was opened out, which was really a very charismatic thing that happened. I never expected that in my lifetime I'll be able to work it out. It has been, and so many of you have got your Sahasrara opened. Without that, you could never have known what is the truth. You were all lost, as everybody is. First of all, Sahasrara is the only way we can perceive, understand, and know the reality. You have come to know as to what is the reality. And you are enjoying that state where you know what is the reality. It's a great blessing that Sahasrara was opened out and all of you got your realization. Otherwise, all talks are just talks, has no meaning, has no understanding. And that's why my first anxiety was to open Sahasrara. That worked out well. And all of you have got your Sahasrara opened. It's a remarkable thing. Nobody can believe that so many of you have got your Sahasrara open. But I can see now clearly the light on top of your heads. Whatever you have achieved is remarkable, no doubt. It is because of honest searching that you have got it. My doing is nothing, because you were just there like a lamp and I just enlightened it. That's all. It's not such a big thing to do as you people have achieved your state of enlightenment. That you got it because you were hankering after it, working it out, and you did it. It's very creditable. Credit doesn't go to me, I think, because I had an open Sahasrara. But to achieve that in you people was so joy-giving for me. Now you will understand, because if Sahasrara is not open, you can't talk people, you can't say anything to them. It's just they don't understand. With the Sahasrara open, your understanding improves so much. That is what has happened with all of you. And I am so very happy that it's so many people there are sitting here who have got their Sahasraras open, and there are many who have not come. So it's a big achievement for human beings to get it so much collectively, Sahasrara opened, by which you know the truth, absolute truth. Whatever you know after your realization is the absolute truth. You don't argue then, don't question, you just know it and you accept it as a knowledge. It's such a nice thing that it was all there, but it was not open. And when it opened out, how people have understood me and also the laws of the divine. It's such a blessing of the divine that you have got your Sahasrara opened out, for which you may say we didn't do anything other. It's not so. Your search for truth was intense and definite. You wanted to know the truth. That's why it has worked out. Otherwise, no amount of money, no amount of effort, nothing would have helped. Sahasrara had to open by itself. It's all your building up, I should say. It's all your doing to yourself that has brought forth such a beautiful happening. I do not take any credit for that at all. Definitely, I must say that I have made you understand that it's important that your Sahasrara should be opened. No more arguments, no more suggestions, nothing, but have your own Sahasrara open, which tells you what is the truth. In these beautiful circumstances, what could your mother say? I can only say that continue to live a life of reality, of understanding. In everything you will find there is truth. And how do we use that truth is our own achievement. People are lost because they have no knowledge. Knowledge from the books is no knowledge. Their knowledge must come from within themselves. And that has happened because of Sahasrara opening. In all the countries it has happened, and it will be in the whole world. So many people will get realization. But only thing I feel that you people should have no emotional attachment to it. Not emotional, but realistic attachment. That it is there, it has happened, it's working out. Then you will be able to give realizations to others. You will understand the importance of realization. Unless and until you use it, you won't know what is the power of realization is. So, you must learn how to use this power which is within you, which has started working out, and which will give you such an immense capacity. My health is a little bit gone down, after all I'm very old. But still I don't feel tired in any way while addressing you. I feel so enamored that there are so many Sahajogis, so many whose Sahasrara is open and they are enjoying their Sahasrara. Actually, I would have liked you to ask me questions, but you can write questions and send me written ones. Then I'll try to answer them sometime. Will be a much better idea. So, thank you very much. May God bless you. Grow into Sahaj. Grow into your being. May God bless you. All my blessings.